Motorhomes in 2026 are on another level. They are bigger, smarter, and filled with technology and luxury that make them feel more like rolling mansions than simple RVs. With designs inspired by supercars, futuristic interiors, and performance numbers that sound unreal, these machines redefine road travel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 luxurious next-level motorhomes of 2026. Welcome to TopLuxRides, your go-to spot for the most luxurious and jaw-dropping vehicles in the world. If comfort, prestige, and cutting-edge design excite you, this channel is for you. Let's get started. Number 5. 2026 Volvo Motorhome. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome proves you don't need millions to experience next-level luxury. Its exterior is sleek with Scandinavian design touches like sharp LED strips, a full panoramic windshield, and aerodynamic body panels that reduce drag and improve efficiency. Roof-mounted solar panels support its hybrid powertrain, while hidden storage compartments and an automatic retractable awning keep things practical. Step inside and the interior feels calm and welcoming. Volvo uses light wood, soft, ambient lighting, and vegan leather to create a modern yet cozy environment. A massive skylight stretches across the roof, flooding the space with natural light. The living area includes swivel captain's chairs, a foldable dining table, and a modular kitchen with induction cooktops and smart drawers. In the back, a full-size memory foam bed makes the bedroom feel like a boutique hotel suite. The bathroom is stylish, with a rainfall shower and anti-fog mirrors. Power comes from a hybrid system combining a turbocharged 12.0-liter engine with electric motors producing 400 horsepower and up to 800-kilometer range. For $135,000, this is the smartest way to enter luxury RV living. Number 4. 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome is pure road royalty. On the outside, it carries Maybach's signature grille, reshaped for a futuristic look, along with sleek LED matrix headlights and massive 26-inch multi-spoke wheels. A continuous LED strip wraps around the sides, giving it a commanding, almost sci-fi presence. Step inside and it feels like a moving penthouse. Everything is hand-finished, matte walnut wood, quilted Napa leather, and carbon fiber accents. The panoramic smart roof adjusts its tint automatically, while the lounge features fully reclining seats with heating, cooling, and massage functions. An 85-inch OLED screen rises from the floor paired with Dolby Atmos surround sound. There's a hidden kitchenette with high-end appliances, a spa-like bathroom with heated floors, and a king-size bedroom with adaptive memory foam and voice-activated blackout shades. Power comes from a hybrid V8 paired with electric motors, delivering over 900 horsepower and more than 500 miles of range. Level 4 autonomous driving allows it to park and cruise almost on its own. Starting at $1.4 million and reaching over $2 million with custom options, this is a palace built for the road. Number 3. 2026 Ford Motorhome. The Ford Motorhome of 2026 looks more like a futuristic fortress on wheels than a traditional RV. Its design is bold with sweeping curves, a two-tone pearl and black paint job, and a glowing LED strip across the front. A raised cockpit sits above the main structure, giving the driver a yacht-like view of the road. Mounted on 10 chrome-detailed wheels, it has unmatched road presence. Inside, the luxury goes beyond expectations. The lounge is filled with recliner sofas, Italian leather, and a massive OLED display. One of the wildest features, a built-in fireplace making it feel like a 5-star suite. The kitchen is fully smart with voice-controlled appliances, while the dining area doubles as a workspace. The bathroom is lined with marble floors and includes a rain shower and self-cleaning toilet. The master bedroom has a king-size bed, a retractable glass, and a starlight ceiling. There's even a rooftop deck for sunset lounging. Power comes from a hybrid turbo V8 paired with electric drive. producing 1,200 horsepower. Priced from $3.5 million, it can be customized with a sports car garage, rooftop jacuzzi, or drone landing pad. Number 2. 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Ferrari shocked the world with its first motorhome, and the 2026 model is pure drama. The exterior has a matte silver gray finish with sharp aerodynamics, a jet-like panoramic windshield, and Ferrari branding down the sides in bold gold lettering. It rides on low-profile wheels with yellow accents, connecting it to Ferrari's racing heritage. Step inside, and it feels like a private jet infused with Ferrari DNA. Every surface is wrapped in Alcantara, carbon fiber, and Italian leather. The lounge area has sculpted seating, Ferrari's signature LED lighting design, and a curved OLED screen running the latest Ferrari infotainment. The bedroom offers a king-size bed, walk-in closet, and a marble-trimmed kitchenette with a built-in espresso machine. The bathroom includes a rainfall shower and polished chrome fixtures. Underneath, it's powered by a hybrid V12, producing around 1,200 horsepower, with magnetic ride suspension, all-wheel drive, and four-wheel steering. Despite its size, it rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. With a starting price of $3.8 million and bespoke editions going past $5 million, this is Ferrari performance and style brought into the world of luxury living. Number 1. 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. At the top sits the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, the most extravagant luxury motorhome ever built. From the outside, it looks like a spaceship on wheels. Bugatti's famous horseshoe grille dominates the front, surrounded by sweeping LED light strips and a carbon fiber body. The 24-inch forged wheels glow with illuminated Bugatti logos, adding to its futuristic feel. Inside, it's a blend of hypercar tech and 5-star luxury. The cockpit has a 360-degree digital control system, giving the driver full command. The lounge includes electronically reclining chairs, an 80-inch OLED display, and a Bang & Olufsen sound system. The bathroom has heated marble floors, motion lighting, and a rainfall shower. The bedroom features a king-size memory foam bed, a starlight ceiling, and voice-controlled lighting and climate. Power is insane for an RV. A hybrid V8 with electric motors delivering 1,200 horsepower. With adaptive air suspension and four-wheel steering, it handles smoother than vehicles half its size. Starting at $5.4 million, the Bugatti Motorhome is the ultimate blend of hypercar DNA, futuristic technology, and unmatched luxury, a true palace on wheels. Those were the top 5 luxurious next-level motorhomes of 2026. From Volvo's sleek Scandinavian design to Bugatti's $5 million masterpiece, these vehicles show that the future of travel isn't just about where you go, it's about how you get there. Which one would you choose for your dream trip? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to TopLuxRides for more of the world's most luxurious machines.